Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Hacks. In this video, we are going to write some basic code to create post service. Whenever you start designing a service or putting it together, it really worth a time to think very critically about exactly what you want your service to do. So in our case, we know that we want to create a post and list all the existing posts. This is the high level diagram of what we want to implement in post service. In general, we create different paths for post and get method. But to keep things simple, I have used same route for both the methods. In case of post method, we pass data in body that we want to save in database. In our case, we are going to save title which is of type string. Now let's jump to VS Code and do some hands-on. Inside VS Code, I have already created a index.js file. Here we are going to build out a very small Express application that is going to implement post and get methods for post service. So first of all, we will require an Express. I'll create a new app and then I am going to associate those two different routes that we discussed earlier. Let's create a get method here. Now just like the get method, I am going to create a post method. In the last, I am going to make sure that my Express application listens on a very specific port. So I am gonna put it here app.listen 4000. Let's print something like listening at port 4000. Save this. Great. So now let's start implementation of get and post method. As I mentioned in my previous video that we are not going to use any database here. So we are going to store all the data in memory. Here, after creation of Express application, I am going to make a little object that's going to store all the data. So let's create an object called posts. Initially, it is a blank object. Now let's jump inside the get method where we want to return this post object. So write down response dot send and pass the object that we want to return. Cool. Now if we make a request to get method, we will return this post object back to the user in response. Next we have to do is we have to make sure that we need to implement the ability to create a new post. So we have to add in some implementation for post method. So let's add a little bit of code for post method, but before writing the code for post method, it is important for us to understand that in order to identify the post uniquely, we must have a randomly generated ID. So for create that ID, we are going to import another package. Say it is random bytes which is inside crypto package. Now back again inside the post method. Here let's create a const called id and call the random bytes method. Here we are going to pass 4 because we want to generate an id of 4 bytes. Call toString method and pass the type hex here. It will generate a random id for us, something like that, 67 ABC4, something like that. Okay. Remember, we are making the assumption here, whenever a user makes a request to this route, they are going to send a body that must has a title property. So for that, let's create a const called title, which should be equal to request dot body. Let's assign id and title to posts object. Save this. And then finally, down here at the bottom, we are going to send a response back to the user in which we will simply return the newly created posts. So right here, response dot status 201. Save this. All right, this is looking pretty good as of now. There is one last thing that we have to do. We need to make sure that we add a body parser to make sure, so whenever a user sends us some JSON file in the body, it actually get parsed. So move at the top of the file. Here I am going to import body parser. Now just after the creation of file application, we are going to use app.use body parser.json. That's it. Now we are done with the coding part. Now it's the testing time. But before testing, let's make little modification in the package.json file. Here we are going to remove this script file, and in place of this we are going to write our own script to run the application. Save this. Now open the terminal. Here we are going to run npm start command. Here you can see that application is running and it is running on 4000 post. Now to test it, we are going to use Postman. So let's jump to Postman. This is the Postman. This is the URL that we are going to hit, and it is a post method. In the body, this is the title that we are going to save with the text third post. Click on the send button. Now here you can see that the response is 201 with some, and in the response we are getting newly created post with ID and the title. Now let's open a get method. With the same URL, let's make a get request. And here in the response, you can see that this is the post that we created earlier. So that's it from this video. In the upcoming video, we are going to do some coding part for comment service. So stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.